Hello! Welcome to the 69 Bandicoots tutorial. Today, I will show you how to add any custom taunts on prophuntx easily, without having to modify the game mode. Let's get started. Here, we have 3 files, one of which is for hunters and the rest are for props. This particular file will be used on hunter team, whereas the other 2 will be used on prop teams and making them available together. Alright, we have the audio files ready. Let's make them available on prophunt. First, open up your Steam. And then right-click on your Garry's mod game, and click Properties, heads up to Local Files, and click on Browse button. A new window will appear. Navigate to folder Garry's mod. Scroll down until you find a folder called Sound. If folder don't exists in there, you can simply create a new folder and rename it. Next open up Sound folder, and navigate to Taunts PHX folder. By default, this folder don't exist in Garry's mod installation, so you have to make a new folder and rename it as Taunts PHX. Now the folder exists. Next up, by opening the folder, you'll see an empty folder. In here, you must create a new folder that corresponds to the player team's ID. In this demonstration, I will give a name of folder as one for Hunter's team. This folder is specifically used for Hunter team and therefore the taunts will be only visible on Team Hunter's custom taunt menu. Next up is doing the same thing, but we'll name it as 2 as for props teams. Specifically and only visible for prop teams custom taunt only. Once you're done making those important folders, next up is prepare and locate your previous taunts that you want to add. For example, if we want to add Hunter's taunt here, we need a category name to show up. In this example, we'll add a custom category called
My Hunter Taunt category.
Click on your folder category, copy and paste or simply drag them to the corresponding folder. And you're done. Repeat the process but this time for props team. And then add a new category called
My Awesome Taunts and Memes.
Click on your folder category, copy and paste or simply drag them to the corresponding folder. And you're done. This process is also worked if you're hosting on dedicated server. Make sure that your folder names are lowercases. This is important because it's due to operating systems file naming problems, like Linux or Mac OS, with Garry's mod. Now let's fire up prophunt and access our taunts. To access these taunts, simply press C button. Click on the category drop-down and you'll see your category folder in there. Click on that category and your taunts will be visible. Same as for prop teams. To access these taunts, simply press C button. Click on the category drop-down and you'll see your category folder in there. Click on that category and your taunts will be visible, and give it a try. This all done automatically, thanks to prophuntx Taunt Scanner system. This also works for random taunts, works for fake taunts, and provides download to allow your friends listen to your custom taunts. Also works if you're using Workshop. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for next prophuntx custom taunt tutorials. And be sure to support my prophuntx project by buying me a coffee. Link in the description. As always, I will see you in the next video. See ya.